What's up, guys? This is your boy Bo Reason from VoLife, and we're here today, the Cranbrook House and Gardens. Show you guys around. It's a big house, some nice gardens, some nice plants, wilderness. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's go on a freaking journey. I wonder if this is a wishing well. I don't actually see any coins. Yeah, this place is already freaking amazing. Okay, I just gotta say real quick that I am amazed how beautiful this place is. Like, I am so mad. This is my first time coming here. So it looks like we're coming at a crossroad. Japanese garden or bog garden. Guess we're gonna go to the Japanese garden. So far, guys, I'm liking what I see. It looks really nice out here. I had to sit down at a picnic table in the field because I'm getting a little tired. I should have brought some water. I did not think this place would be like so big as it is. No complaints though. On my way back to the garden, the original garden, after 15 minutes of being lost in the woods. I'm gonna end the vlog because my camera's about to die. And I've been here already for like 2 hours. It's an easy 2-hour walk. It's so much stuff to see. So come visit Cranbrook House and Gardens. It was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, my friends. Stay positive, stay healthy, and stay woke. And on that note, adios. Peace.